Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how we can get last entry VLOOKUP. Basically, what happened if we have the table like this is my table, and for an example, here is the party name is the B, and here is the stage are mentioned. Okay, which stage it is in, order received, and it's ready for the dispatched, and verified. Okay, for an example, this is my party name another B, and here it is like dispatched. Basically it will come from the Google form. When the doer will submit the response, then this response will be saved here in the Google sheet. Okay, but if we do VLOOKUP by the party name, either order ID or anything else tracking ID, then how the VLOOKUP work? If it is the party name is the B, for an example your order ID is B, then B, if you do VLOOKUP, then which is the first one, that result will get. But in this case we will show, I will show you how we can get last entry. Last entry mean which is the recently is been updated, which is the maximum number timestamp, and which is the record for this particular party name, and that the status will get it here. Okay, so this is some I was updated here. I'll go for the new party. Let's to enter for the e party. Okay, so I just click here. This basically is the pre-filled link, and this how I got the pre-filled link also I'll explain in this video. If I submitted this, and here you can see immediately it came that this is the timestamp and recent update is order has received for this party. Okay, for an example, if I click here again, and instead of now order receive, I'll go to ready to dispatch, and I'll submit. Immediately you can see that the response of here, it will show the ready to dispatch. Okay, let's click here again, and I'll change from ready to dispatch to dispatched. Okay, now you can see immediately here it is very quick response, and it will show if this party has this part, for this party we have dispatched the product. How I did this, now I'll show you. Let's go for a new Google sheet. I'll close this, and here we'll give the first sheet name. Basically you can give sales order details. I'll also give sales order details. Okay, now I'll go to the tool. I'll create the form. To create the form, this is my sales order details. You can design however you want. This in this video I want to explain more about the form. I'll just quickly explain that how we can create a like how we can get the last entry of our party details. For an example, we have some limited party. Those all are A B C D A B C D E F G H I J K. Okay, I for an example, I have this much party with me who does who do business with me. This is my all the party name, and here is my stage. In this stage, order received, and the second stage ready to dispatch, and third dispatched. Fourth is order verified, that is successfully received by customer, and our accounting also clear. Now these all are my party name A up to L. First what I'll do, I'll convert this name dashboard. Okay, here I'll enter party name, and last update time, current stage, link to update. Here same I'll enter A B C D E F G H I J K up to L. Now here I'll get the pre-fill. How will I get the pre-fill? Here is the more option. If you click in this, you will get one option, get pre-filled link. If you click here, now you can select any one of these. Like you need to be ensure what you are selecting, A or B or whatever it is. This is our stage. This one doer has to update. So we will not select anything in this. We don't want anything pre-filled in this. Basically, instead of the party name, we used to be select the order ID. Okay, so however you get comfortable, you can select that. Now once I get the link, then you need to click on the copy the link. Okay, then here what I'll do, hyperlink. Now double quote, inside the double quote I need to paste that. Okay, here I was selected A, so that A has come. If I need dynamically, then what I have to do, I need to do here double quote again. Inside the double quote I need to put double end. Inside the double end I need to select this, and after that I need to put comma, double click, double quote, then I need to put a click here. Basically, how does it work? This is your URL and this is your display text. If you click here, if you click on that, then it will direct it to this URL. I'll press the enter. Now you can see click here, and I'll close this. If I click here in this, now you can see that it is been directed with pre-filled A. If I do change here A to B, now I'll click here again. Now you can see it is showing B. So this is how the hyperlink work. So I cannot put one cell, one hyperlink formula. What I'll do here, I'll go to the top, then I'll put Control Shift Enter for the array formula, and after that I'll do if a2 is to a equivalent blank, then give me blank, or else you give me this formula. So what does it mean if there is any value on my cell, sorry, column A, then you run this formula, or else you give me the blank if there is no value. Okay, so the same thing I have to change here also. Dynamically I have to be change is to a. I'll press the enter. Now I'll make it back to a. Now let's click here in the E. Now you can see party name is showing E and stage are the remaining blank. Okay, so now measure point, how we can get by the party name, and how we can get those recent update and the stage. Let's change the record, change the name to record. Okay, so how does it work? Before that I'll just explain you quickly then what all formula we need to be work. First is the VLOOKUP. I hope you know about the VLOOKUP and query and if and array formula and if error. This much formula is required and it is very basic formula. We will not go to any advanced level of this, we will use in very basic level. Okay, so first we'll understand VLOOKUP. If you don't know the how like advanced VLOOKUP and all, you can watch those videos. In this video we need only the basic things. Okay, so for an example, here is the 1 and A, 2 and B. So here you have the criteria is 1. So how you will get the details which is the 1, what is the result of the 1. So for that what we can do, we can put lookup value is my this, which is criteria, then table, this is my table you need to be select always starting from where your criteria is available. Okay, then which column index number, what you have to put, like in which column your result is available. So for this is my table, then it will be column number 1 and 2. So I'll put it 2. So comma 2 comma 0, enter. Now you can see 1 is for A. If I change it to the 2, it will show the B immediately. If I put here 3 and 3 is for C. If I put here 3, now you can see it is coming C. So if you change here C, capital C, then now you can check it is coming capital C, or CA, whatever it is the value, it will come to here. This is how we look up work. Now let's go for the query formula. Let it be the same thing. This is my table. I'll just add one more table, I double I triple I. So this is my table, and in this table there is one common thing. This is my like number column. So here also you will get the date column. Here it will come once you submit any form. Here it will come your timestamp, date and time. So we'll go that later. Just here I'll tell you how the query work. Here I'll put query formula. In this first I'll select my table, then comma. Here I'll do select. Now I have to select my table. So this is my database table. Now how I want, if I select star, then now entire table will come. If I want only this first column and second column, first column in H column and I column, then same thing I have to be mentioned here. It is H column, then if I want a first column, then mean it is H column. If I want H and I, then I have to select like this, H and I. If I want all, then I don't have to select anything, either I don't have to write anything, this will come directly everything. Okay. Basically query accept three parameter. First parameter database, second parameter is your string formula, then third one is your header. If you put here 0, it means there is no header of your table. So if you put how many header you have, for an example I have two header, if I put two here, you can see these two combined it came here. Okay, so this is the how header formula work. Then I'll put 0 because I don't have any header of this. Okay, but in this point we need to be select H comma I comma J. If we do this, will come our entire table. But the problem is, if I do here like left, if I added any kind of this, any right to the right, now this is problem is, this is H I J. H means this is my H, this is I, this is J. If I do enter in this, now the problem is this is not finding the this column is the H column, this is not finding the H column. Anyhow the result is coming, but this is not, this will not work in the some of the cases. For that, what we need to do, we need to keep in array curly bracket, we need to keep in this inside the curly bracket. Now if you will keep put it in the curly bracket, now you don't have to write any header of the column. Now you can directly write column 1 2 3 4, like this is starting table, this is the column 1, column 2, column 3, like this. You need can write column 1, column 2, column 3. Now you can write, this is the how this will work. Okay, so but the thing is, if I want the latest one should be come to the top, like 3 should be come to the first, then 2, then 4, sorry, then 1. Then what I have to do here, I can put here order by function, order by column 1, order by column 1. But now it won't come anything if you put directly order by. You need to be defined, you want ascending or descending. If you want ascending format, then you need to write ASC. Okay, let's change this to 3 and 2. Now you can see still it is coming 1 2 3, and 2 is coming CA, 2 CA, 3B, it is coming this is the how. If you want in the descending format, like the bigger one should become to the top, for that you need to put the formula DESC. It is the descending format. You can see now 3 is B, 2 is CA, 1 is to A. So this is the how it will come. Okay, so this the how this is query work. Now we'll check the if formula. I hope you know about the if formula. I'm not explaining this video, and array formula also, it is very easy, I'll cover in this time. Okay, now I'll clear these all my stops. Okay, so I'll first run my query formula here, query, and I'll select this entire table, and after that this table I'll keep it in my array. Then I'll write my string here, select column B. B means it is 2, comma, select column 1, then column 3. Why did I write first column 2? Because I have to do VLOOKUP by the party name. So first I need party name in this. If I don't write the party name first, then I cannot do VLOOKUP. For that the reason I have to write the party name. You can write the order ID, either any tracking ID if you have, you can do that. Okay, now what I have to do, order by, and this is my timestamp, it is in column 1, order by column 1 DESC. Okay, so now my table is ready. Okay, I'll do control X. I'll just put here. Okay, now you can see party name, timestamp, and stage has come. If I put anything submit, let's go and submit. Internet is a little slow, so let it run. Okay, so now you can see party name by default J has come. I received the order and I submit. Order receive again and submit. Okay, so now you can see the record will be shown here due to the less internet. It is not reflecting immediately and it is making the file save. So that is the reason saved to the device it is showing. So let it refresh first the page. Okay, now you can see here my timestamp has came and here it is my party name and order stage. Okay, so here also you can see my party name, timestamp and stage. So this is the one kind of table. Okay, now what I have to do here, I'll do here array formula if a2 is to a is equivalent to blank, then I need blank, or else if error, and inside the if error VLOOKUP value is mine. This is my lookup value is to a, then comma, then this is my table. Okay, this is my table, then comma. I need first timestamp, then I'll put 2, then I'll press enter. Okay, now you can see here I have received in the k. Okay, so here I'll convert to date and time. But now I no need more this table to be outside to be so. What I'll do here, I'll double click in this and I'll copy that formula and I'll paste inside this table and I'll press the enter. Now you can see it is coming. Same thing I can do also for this. Copy, instead of 2 I'll do the 3 because in the third there is my it is my stage is there. Okay, so I'll just show you what is the formula, array formula. If this is blank, then I need blank. Then VLOOKUP of criteria is this table is my that query table, and column number is however I have select. Column 1 is timestamp, column 2 is the column 3 is the stage. So it is the 2 and 3. So this 3 I need mean I need the stage. Okay, then now why I put it the if error. If I don't put the if error, these all value is are not available in my table. So if then it will come na. So really this doesn't look good. If the if error, if you don't put it, if then it will come na. So due to remove that na, I put the if error. You can put if na also. So let's change this one more time. Okay, so here I'll instead of order receive, now I'll check on the ready to dispatch and I'll submit. Okay, now you can see my form has been submitted successfully, and you can see here my recent time has come here. I'll just make it little big. so that it will be visible good. And now it is ready to dispatch. So here this is my 5:57. It was earlier 1:36, 1 minute 36 second. Now it is 5:57 and ready to dispatch. So this is the how you can do the last formula, sorry, last entry. You can get it by the formula in the by the help of the VLOOKUP and query. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel. If you like the video, please hit the like button.